Hi guys, it's Beyblade Forever back with another Beyblade unboxing. Today we are going to be unboxing Gravity Demolition 2-pack. Comes with a recolor of Gravity Destroyer and an InfernoByxisCH120RS, as you can see here. So sorry, my cameraman is taking a day off here. So here, back here, we have the, first, let's see, it's the InfernoByxisCH120RS on top here. Let it focus. I'm bad at this. Okay, there we go. Its face bolt and energy ring is byxis. Fusion wheel, Inferno. Spin track is epicness, and performance tip is RS. So then Gravity Destroyer, Gravity, then AD145, armor defense, and performance tip is wide defense. So two different ways, two different attack modes for Gravity Destroyer. Just flip around the spin track, and Gravity Destroyer spins left and right for different tactics during battles. So let's get to unboxing this thing. You can see, I don't think that's gonna work. Put the camera kind of like that for a second. I don't know if you can see there. Kind of. I think that's good. I hope you can. Yeah. So, as we usually do, let's take off the favorite here. Oh, there we go. Now, let's see here. Here's this is Gravity Destroyer's. Yes, this is, and here is our InfernoByxisCH120RS. Let's go straight to this. Gravity Destroyer first. Try to move my face out of the way in the background there. Okay. For the recolor, we have the blue right spinning, or left spinning launcher right there, and we have a orange tool, nice orange tool, and a black ripcord. Here, let me just get it out here. Okay, there we go. Black ripcord. Put it on. Tool here. Instructions like that. We'll look at it later. Stickers. Put a Gravity Destroyer sticker on the launcher. Fully complete launcher now. Don't really care about the other stickers. Trash. So, I'm actually gonna look in the instruction manual to see the different modes. So I'm opening the instruction booklet here. Okay, there. Looking in the instruction booklet. I can't seem to get this. Is it fully opened? Okay. So I don't think there really is. Don't think it really actually does. That is a waste of time. Get right to the InfernoByxisCH120RS stuff now. Oh, stadium in the background there. yeah, you might have noticed on the package sitting there in the battle versus rock zurafa and poison zurafa. You saw that. So black ripcord, yellow tool, black launcher, and stickers. I'll take a BYXIS sticker and stick it right there. The launcher. There we go. Now let's throw that away. Trash. Too much. And now it's time to open the real Beyblades here. So just stop that. Here is the face wolf from InfernoByxis. Here is the BYXIS energy ring. The inferno wheel. This is I think this is CH120, am I correct? Yeah, I don't want to keep you too long, so just rubber sharp. These are the codes. I'll do giveaways to those, as I usually do with all my Beyblade stuff. Oh, sorry. Okay, so back to the video. Now let's put together InfernoByxisCH here. So let's slap this baby together. It's a very nice looking Beyblade. So that is the finished InfernoByxis. Very nice Beyblade. So InfernoByxis. Now let's go into the grand thing of it all, which is GravityDestroyer. Here is Facebolt, energy ring. There's a recolor, by the way. You weren't wondering. Here is the gravity wheel. The armor defense. Where's the little code thing? Armor defense. Yeah. Here's the spin track. And here is yet another famous wide defense tip. Let's put that together. And as you can notice, there are two different modes. There's when you put it like that, where the Medusa eyes are out, where they can look at you and turn you to stone. Well, that's in the TV show, but it just attacks differently each way. And here is the Medusa eyes closed. Just different attack modes, pretty much. Just do different things. Now let's put the Beyblade together. Ooh, this is looking like really cool. Okay. This is the finished GravityDestroyer recolor. Very, very nice Beyblade. So, now let's do some test. Here, let me get a stack of books or whatever. Here, I have a stack of books that I'll put the camera on. Okay. Don't exactly have I think I have a couple more books. That's a good angle, so I guess you can't see. I'll fix that. Do a couple battles, but oh gosh. Here, we're not gonna do any battles, just test launches. Here is InfernoByxisCH120RS. Nice, type Beyblade. Yep. Now, there's the launcher. Here we go. GravityDestroyer. GravityDestroyer. Two very nice Beyblades. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, rate, make it your favorite, tell your friends. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. See you next time. Beyblade forever. Out.